Hello everyone, and welcome to Pollinator Garden Fun and this installment of Pollinator Plant Spotlight. For those of you who are new here, my name is Lori and I garden in upstate New York in Zone 5A. I garden for pollinators and wildlife, and the Pollinator Plant Spotlights are short videos focusing on pollinator-friendly plants. This could mean either as a host plant, a nectar plant, or both. Today, I will be talking about what has become a new favorite of mine, Monarda Punctata, or spotted bee balm. You might have also heard of it called horse mint or dotted mint. This Monarda is a member of the mint family, Latin name Lamiaceae, and it has very aromatic foliage, although I find it closer to the smell of oregano like other Monarda rather than a true mint fragrance. And because of this scent and taste, deer and other nibblers tend to avoid eating this plant, which is a bonus for gardeners. The spotted bee balm is native to a good chunk of the United States, most of the East Coast and some of the southwestern areas, as you can see from this map. It is hardy in zones 4 through 9 and will grow about 2 to 3 feet tall. The spotted bee balm is very easily started from seed, or you can purchase young plants. Now, I've never seen this in a standard plant nursery or garden center, so you most likely will have to order it from an online nursery like Prairie Moon. I'll provide a link for that in the description. That's where I purchased my seeds from this year, and I had great success. The leaves are kind of lance-shaped, and the flowers form in a stacked formation as it grows. The flowers are really unique in appearance. The leafy bracts start lighter green, and then they fade to a pink to purplish color, and then there are little small tubular flowers that ring these bracts, and they're yellowish with dark purple spots. I just love how cool these look. It blooms for about 6 weeks, and the timing of this will of course depend on where you're located, but for me in upstate New York, these started to bloom in mid to late July. And this plant will bloom the first year from seed, which is really great for those of us impatient gardeners. And I know I'm not alone here. The Monarda likes full sun and dry sandy soil, and it's quite drought tolerant when established. It does tend to be a short-lived perennial, but it will reseed, and it also spreads through some small runners. I decided to try planting this in the health strip in front of the house, which is dry, sandy, and generally poor soil conditions just in general, and I wanted to see how it would do here. And this is my patch started from seed this year, so I'm really quite happy at how it's thriving. Spotted bee balm has special value to native bees, especially bumblebees, and this plant will attract a lot of bees. Mine always has lots of visitors. Now, this Monarda is not a host plant of any real significance, but in my research I did find that it is the host plant for the raspberry pyrausta moth, which is a very cool looking moth. I don't know if I'll get any of these here, but they are in native range in my area. Overall, the spotted bee balm has fast become one of my new favorite plants. I think this would look really striking planted with maybe some Asclepias tuberosa or even a shorter coreopsis, which does give me some ideas for next year. I hope you enjoyed this closer look at the Monarda Punctata, and if it's native for you, maybe you will give it a chance in your garden. Until next time, everyone, this is Lori with Pollinator Garden Fun. I would love to have you like and subscribe to my channel and join the fun.